Alright, so I told you, well, first off, welcome to Jeep Monkey Garage. I told you I bought something Milwaukee, and here it is, right here. So actually, it came in a set of a 220 piece bit set. So it came in two different packages, obviously. This one I believe you can get at Home Depot right now as a special buy. This one right here. This one, on the other hand, is an online only. But if you go online and you search, what do they call this? Impact driver bit set. It'll give you a bunch of options, and the top option is a 220 piece set, which is this and this. Now you can select the 100 piece set, and this is what the 100 piece set is going to be when you get it in the mail, or get it. You can either have it shipped to your house or to the store at Home Depot. You get it apart here. And I got both these for about $70. And that's what kind of made me pull the trigger on getting this set. And normally it's around, I want to say 160. So I mean, just this pack out case alone, it's the small thin one, is about $30 just by itself. And then here they've got all these bits that come with it. So anywhere from, I mean, some of these Torx bits are tiny. Like I've never seen one that small before. All the way to, it looks like, what is it, a number 3? Let me look at it. Let's make sure I got the, yeah, I got it on there. So I was pretty excited about this set. Now, I'm not a big Milwaukee fan, but coming across this set for the price, I was pretty impressed. It's a T10. You can't just buy that bit anywhere in a store unless you order it online. So anywhere from a T10 to a T27, all and everything in between those bits. And then it's got a T25 as far as a long. I think that gives more torque. There's got to be a reason for it. More reach, definitely. Got extra number 2s for the Phillips head. And let's see, what else do they got? And then they got Phillips head in, see, and that's a smaller Phillips head too. So Phillips head 1, a couple of those, and a couple of Phillips head 3s, I believe, yeah, and then a bunch of 2s. And of course, a lot of these smaller bits that I don't use comes with what to put in them, or the piece that goes in them. It's got anywhere from square, what is this, square number 1 all the way to square number 3 and everything in between. So I think they just do multiples of 1, 2, and 3 in there. And this is a double-sided. Don't know if I'll use those too much. More smaller ones, looks like in the square. Smaller ones in the Torx. So, oh shoot, we even have the Phillips head, or not Phillips, Allen wrench sizes. Not sure what they're called, but a lot. And this is just the 100-piece set. Alright, so the case itself comes with everything. Their normal pack out case comes with little dividers, so that way you can break these up however you like. And then of course these are removable trays. Alright, so that's a pretty neat set. Very, very neat. Very thin, so definitely would fit in that drawer of the previous video of the rigid one that I did. Now the rigid one was just the case. So. And then in the other 120 pieces, so this set is the 120 piece set. So it's got anything, pretty much everything that is in the 100 piece, aside from a few added bonuses. So it does have these drill bits that lock into the impact drill. And then it's got, this is something different right here. I'm gonna end up breaking this. Okay, so it flips up. This is a T50 right here. So very interesting that a T50 comes in this set. But as far as I can tell, these are all short bits right here. A little bit longer bits right here. Then an extended one. I don't know if this comes apart at all. I can't get it. Probably doesn't come apart. I don't know. A lot of this is pretty new. And then of course you got your regular, or at least the sizes that I like to use, in your Phillips head 2s, squares, and that's pretty much it in there. You got one T10, but then you got your T Torx, different sizes there, along with that. So that's pretty cool. So not sure I'll use these a lot, but this is all part of Milwaukee's like shockwave impact stuff. An impact shockwave impact duty 100 piece. The 100 piece is mainly what I got this kit for, but no, it's pretty nice. It's a sweet deal right now for a limited time. I don't know how long this sale's going for, so but anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will talk to you in the next video.